Whoops. Good afternoon. I forget what day it is of the coronavirus outbreak, but we're taking advantage of the fact that it's a little cooler today, and for some reason the air conditioning's not on at the moment. And let's get it in before it goes. But what we have here is the Madagascar Jewel, a rather unusual plant, because when I first had it, I thought it had something to do with a cactus because of the nature of this. Take a look at the side over there. It just looks like a cactus. I don't know if it's in the cactus family or what, but anything's possible. But it is unusual. I guess the jewel, I don't know where the jewel name comes, but it looks like it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides that are distinct on one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, this one has 5, the other one has 5, and I think all of them 5. But they start out in the early stages of their growth as a little seedling, like that little baby back there. And you can see most of the other ones have here. Now here's one that's a little older, and you can see it's developing its telltale trunk. And they produce, let me see if I have it, but the very minute little flowers. And it just loves to reproduce. And as you can see on the bottom there, there's the latest baby coming out. Yes, sorry for the sun over there, but we got a lot of rain last night, and I had to empty the bucket out that these were sitting in so I didn't kill them. And like I say, there's several of them. They're Madagascar Jewel. When I first had them, they just looked a little strange. Let me get a little close over here. You can see this is getting ready to produce a bevy of flowers there. So this one's much more mature. Let's see how this one's doing over here. The flowers are not very large, so to speak, but colorful, but definitely we'll be getting little shoots and little ones growing out and throwing off their little seeds. And the seeds sprout and they will germinate. They germinate readily. Every once in a while I'll go through the garden and I'll find they're telltale, because you can see the leaves have these distinct coloration with a white vein-like structure on them, and they stand out. I mean, you walk by and you take a look at the pot and you'll see this little miniature, like look at that little one back there. That's how I found out. It was even about 1/10 of that size, but the leaves stand out. So I just collect them. I'm one of those guys that just can't throw stuff out of it, and once in a while I was doing feel bad about it, but you can only hold so many of these things in the garden. So I make a donation in my green pot to the solid waste. They go back into the green area, so they're being recycled anyway. So in the meantime, this is the Madagascar Jewel, a very unusual plant. Strange. Let me see if I can get over here and on this one and see what it looks like. It's just starting to form the interior of the plant. You can see it on over here. The base is just starting to form. So we'll look over here, and let me just get it closer to this one. You can see on that one the trunk is just starting to form. See how the color, the bottom is like more woodish and the top is like a little green or greenish color. The trunk is just starting to turn into that I guess that's probably what they call it, a jewel. It's got 5 sides. Some jewels have 4 or 5 sides. So that's all we're doing here, is just keeping track of time here and letting you know another plant that's growing in the Dougherty Garden. And like I say, most of these plants, if not all of them, come compliments from Ruth's Tropical Garden. And I just like to grow them, and she likes to grow them, and she goes, well, will give me a few and just share with the wealthier. And that's where I get all these funny looking and pretty plants in the Dougherty Garden. I like to share the memories with everybody. So like I say, I'm competing with the little kids for attention. Please like the video and please subscribe. That's all I can ask for. Thank you very much, and hope everybody feels well out there and try and avoid getting this coronavirus. It's an unusual virus, so let's hope for the best, that they find a cure for it or a vaccine. Thank you very much. Like I said, please like the video or subscribe to the channel so we can keep this little puppy going. Thank you. Bye bye.